Good evening guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So as discussed in yesterday's analysis, Nifty will break 25,000. It happened today. It has opened gap up and gap up sustained in first couple of minutes. Then there was slow and steady profit booking. Tried to came near CPR but it has made its virgin CPR today. And Nifty was positive, gave a positive closing of 59 points, whereas Banknifty was sideways, still gave a positive closing of 10 points. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player plan for the coming expiry. We'll follow by FII. In future index they were having 65% long and 35% short yesterday. Today they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. So they have 66% long, 34% short. Option index at call they were having 3.64 lakhs of call buying. Today they have unwinded most of the contract. They have unwinded 1.90 lakh contract, so still they have a 1.73 lakh of call buying contract. At put they were having 4.23 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded put buying as well, 2.81 lakhs, so they have 1.42 lakhs of put buying. So slight positive in options they have, but we have seen most of the contract they have been unwinded in options now. And they are positive in future index, and in cash market also they have purchased for 2089 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 55% call buying, 45% call writing, 53% put buying, 47% put writing. Client are the retailers. In future index they were having 46% long, 54% short. Today they have reduced 1% long, increased 1% short, 45% long, 55% short they have. Option index, in call they were having 3.31 lakhs of call writing contract. They have unwinded 1.86 lakhs of call writing contract, still holding 1.44 lakhs of call writing contract. Input they were having 4.64 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have increased 34,000 contracts, so still holding 4.98 lakhs of put writing. Here they are super bullish in options, whereas they are neutral in future index, and they have sold in cash market for 1113 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 47% put buying, 53% put writing. Proprietor desk, in future index they have 52% long, 40% short. So today they have reduced 1% long, increased 1% short, so they have 51% long and 49% short. Option index contract, they have 35,000 call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 4,000 contracts, still holding 31,000 of call writing. Whereas at put side they were having 2.82 lakhs of put writing contract. They have booked all the profit at put writing and made a fresh put buying of 3,000 contract. So here they are negative in options and they are neutral in future index, and they are buying in cash market for 551 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 50-15 call buying versus call writing and 50-15 put buying versus put writing. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for next week expiry, that will be on 8th August. Today's expiry was cool as expected, it was sideways only. So for next week what we have seen a good number of short straddles at 25,000 levels, and mostly there is a call writing versus put writing at most of the big key level strike prices. So the momentum has to be slow for the coming week. 57 will be the next expiry, and here we have seen a good number of call writing at 52,000 levels. So bank nifty is still negative and nifty is positive. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nasdaq is trading positive by 180 points, Dow is negative by 22 points. They just started now. Whereas India VIX at 12.93, it is very much comfortable. So Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has made a doji candle today. So as per the technicals we don't have anything, but as per the open interest analysis, the momentum has stopped somewhere at 25,000 resistance levels. So the momentum should be very slow in Nifty now, and I believe there should be some profit booking coming, but I don't have any buy on dip or sell on rise for Nifty as of now. Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it also has made doji kind of a candle, and we have a huge resistance at 52,000, and I don't think it is going to break these levels. If so happens, then we can think of going long until we have a sell on rise only. So we have short side position open in Bank Nifty, so we can think of sell on rise for Bank Nifty, but Nifty is still wait and watch. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis, so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.